Okay, here they're harvesting our potato.
Take them out.
Go
Take
way
them
over
out.
on this side.
Oh, are you sure we have get lots of it?
Yeah, we need more.
Many
There's
more?
one. Look,
Yay, potatoes!
Small one?
there's one.
Pull them out,
I
Boo.
want this one.
May I see that, Boo?
These.
Oh, small
Let's
one.
clean
There's
these.
still some more.
Let's
Yeah.
clean these. We
Oh,
need
that's
clean.
right.
Because I plan maybe end of August to harvest.
But
There's
see,
potato.
There's a potato.
see, look, there's rot on.
May I see?
Slug rot.
There's none of it.
There's some more over
There's
there.
that one there, Boo.
Yeah.
There's slugs and stuff in there, hun.
Okay.
How many days the potato will harvest?
Gem
Huh?
potatoes.
How many days?
Well, if they're
That's a rock.
planted in there deep, should have got way more.
Let's get some more potatoes.
Hey, come here, help me pull this one, Boo.
Do we have one?
Whoa. Whoa.
See the rot?
No, because that's the seeds, the what we plant.
Yeah.
Yeah. Are we getting baby potato?
Nice gem potatoes. They make for good potato salad
Boo.
and quick soups and stuff. Yum.
Yep. We need green potatoes. Doesn't work. We need green potatoes.
Yeah.
Ooh.
If I'm gonna plant tulips, are the tulips after
Potatoes.
things spring is gonna be die or you have to replant it back?
No, we plant next year, they'll die.
Oh,
These can reoccur, but
I just drop it up, please. We got baby
We got potatoes.
What potato? Potato.
one potato, two potato, three potato more.
Dig!
Got this.
You got it, Bob? May I see? Show it to me. Oh, now finally, Novel, not scared of dirty.
Look,
You have to practice, Bob, because
What's that?
Tatay got lots of farm.
that's a peanut from the squirrel.
Almost tried to didn't grow a peanut out of that.
How come potato grow peanut, Bob?
So,
There's another log.
all the work.
Look,
I got another.
Did you find one there?
I got a
Look.
potato.
Okay.
Okay.
And you can get
look.
more. Getting that ant. I got
Okay.
an ant. And a bird. Ant love birds.
There you go. Lots of potatoes in that one.
Some of them will
Look at
have
them.
more than others. Go check that one out.
Baby
Look,
Here, lift this one.
How come it's small?
see, hun? It was starting to rot. That wasn't a seeded one.
potato.
Oh, they're all baby potatoes.
Some of them, yeah.
These are not big potatoes.
Little salad jams. Or roasters.
Look.
Look at that. Those are about big size for you.
that.
You can have big potato now. Just
Good
enough.
job,
Look.
Boo.
Hey,
Potato. Whoa.
look here. Look, are you going to put them all in there?
Boo, don't wipe up to your clothes because it's getting dirty.
Don't worry, you'll get more dirt on your hands, Boo.
Practice having dirt, Boo. Because Tatay got lots of farm.
It washes.
Yeah.
Look.
I got a big potato.
You do.
Some of them will have bigger ones. Some of them will have smaller ones.
We need to get out that.
So we have to go through a little bit to make sure you get them all.
Oh yeah.
There's some more.
And
We
that
need
one
to
is,
get out.
that one's in Lucky's.
I need you to bury them back, Dad, so that the soil we're gonna be.
Yeah, don't worry.
Duck.
What you got, Bab?
More potatoes.
Why, Tato? Ayaw lagi wipe sa imong clothes. Now your clothes
Because
getting
these
dirty.
ones here, when you put these in, hun, you cut them.
Yeah.
And then they grow better. Because when it's big like that,
Takes a while for it to just stem out.
and for it to seed and grow potato proper.
I never grow and plant potato, Dad, so I don't know.
I know, well, that's why I told you, let me do. Now you have your learning.
I plant rice. We plant rice. Some vegetables. Potato, no.
Okay, ready? Come grab on.
Go.
Oh, yeah. Very strong, Papi.
Got a potato.
Got potato?
Look, look here.
This potato looks like apple.
So from the background, we have corn.
Here, boo.
It's going to harvest soon.
That at another month or so. That.
Potato, no pull it down.
Hey, come here, boo.
You help Daddy Boo.
Oh, here.
I'm gonna pull.
This means that summer will gonna be ending up soon.
Yeah, some little baby one she's getting.
Nice little gems.
I got a potato.
Mom didn't cut the seed potatoes in
I
half
got
to
a
make
potato.
the potato part smaller, so you get more potatoes.
I got a
She never done before, so
potato.
she learned. Yeah.
What is it?
It's there, Bob. Oh, Uncle Chris.
Yeah. Next year, I make sure I'm here where they're planted. Farther down into the soil, less seed potato.
Papi, don't wipe your clothes.
Stop wiping on your shirt, please.
Look your clothes. It's
Listen to
getting.
Mom. Let me give Mom a heart attack.
You just rub your hands, Boo.
Look, do you see me rubbing my hands? Look. On my pants.
I think it's not really
Hey,
deep
what about
enough.
this
I planted
potato?
out.
What about the
Are you
potato?
missing potato?
What? And getting in the potato.
Look, boo.
Potatoes, potatoes, more potatoes.
Yeah.
Ah, I'm pulling them out.
Hmm.
Stop. I'm pulling them out.
Look, there's another one there. There's two more. Here. Look.
Look at the baby one.
Huh?
Baby.
Look
Look
here.
at the baby potato.
Hey.
Yes, I got the baby potato.
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
No,
I think that's it there. They have a big one.
no taking.
There's a couple right there. They fall.
Thank you,
And
Chris.
one
So,
got
Look.
inside.
so it means summer is almost done.
Look here, boo. Look, can you dig this out?
Hopefully they have a huge rain in BC so that fires will be stopped.
Or started some more.
And
They
with it
started
so
some more?
big,
With the lighting and everything.
Oh yeah.
You find, look, there's one. Here, dig here. Look, dig here. See
I'm
this?
going in the dirt.
That looks like a nugget of gold right there.
I'm going inside the
look.
dirt.
Look, what's that, Bob?
Look.
I'm going inside the dirt.
No, don't
No.
go in there. Look, grab. There's
No, you're getting in the dirt.
Sorry, boo. Relax. Look, look, look at all the potatoes.
One more lush branch.
Oh yeah. Some in there still.
Dog,
There's
go.
1, 2, 3.
4, 5, 6.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Woohoo!
Look at all them.
Do you think that's not better?
Whoop.
Huh?
It's getting heavier.
It's getting heavier.
That
Good.
means that we've got lots then.
Yes.
I wonder if we could just make one a baked potato out of it.
That's all Bert what gets out of his. That's about the same as what Bert gets out of his.
I think this is a sandcastle now. A dirt sandcastle.
Well, we gotta go like this and we'll see if we should got them all.
Make sure they have. Try your best.
No one
Maybe
gets
who
to
knows
be
they have a
left
gold there.
behind.
They're digging out gold.
Gold nuggets.
Gold nuggets.
Considered island gold.
I found something here. More
did?
potatoes.
Look!
I pull out a potato.
Oh, there you go. You find them all.
Good
How
job,
about we
boo.
make a sandcastle in here?
Sandcastle. No.
It'd be a mud house.
It's all muddy, Puppy. Then Daddy will have a big, huge holder and put back all these things.
Yes. Because that it won't take long to break down.
Yeah.
It will help feed the worms that are in there.
Keep the composting alive.
Puppy, don't bring it out the soil outside the
Hey,
box.
hey, stop, stop. I want the dirt in there.
Only
Yeah, we only pull out the plants. Oh, what was it?
I think that's it.
right there.
Mint or something.
No, there was no mint in this one. This was just all potato.
So this is all like not cilantro or anything?
No, that's
No.
all weed.
So there you go.
Heidi, keep your hands over there.
See
Yeah, go over
my
there. There's some water
tomato. I got tomato. I don't know what happened. All my tomato is getting curly late, but still having a fruit.
Oh, there's some
And
potatoes
then-
there.
My chili.
I'm gonna get my hands dirty again.
Okay, so rub them then.
That's a big chili I have. So it's still having a plant.
Right?
And our carrots, my strawberry.
Oh my God.
See. And then the corn. Are we having a corn, big cob corn soon. Hopefully they have fruits. And then it's a huge salad. It's getting higher now.
There's some in
All the dirt rubbed off?
Then my okra overshadow by the corn so never grow.
You got dirt in our foot?
So
Yeah. There's in the cuts.
my basil. I got onion leaves there.
Tickles.
Good.
My spinach is getting dying, so getting old.
This can all just
My
stay
strawberry, I don't know if they need a spray or not, but we got some fruits in it already. See, wonder, you see the fruits? Yeah,
These are heavy potatoes.
yeah.
They'll root more.
Heavy potatoes.
Oh, I know.
Grow more.
They're heavy
I
potatoes.
know that. But
Heavy potatoes. I'm going to
the seeds, the potato seeds were a little.
It's ready for next summer. Right, Dad? Yeah.
Oh, whoa. There's a potato right there.
The potatoes.
There's a rock.
It's a rock. And my,
No.
hopefully,
Looks like a golden nugget.
no golden nugget.
Not that one. The one that actually looks yellow. Like a potato. From the basement.
That's a trampoline.
Oh.
Ready for the next summer. Decomposing all the stuff.
For me. Is that an elephant trunk?
My hubby need to practice
Wait, why do you need to
planting
practice?
because ready for the farm. Go hubby.
This is
Happy birthday, Dad.
Holy moly.
I can make this one. Look at my shoes.
Way over there.
Take it out.
Just, you know, slam it. Some of that I have to bury in that one.
So here they are. We are done. We just have to. Where's the potato?
See, up there in the bag.
Okay. So this is the potato what you have. Lots of. Well, better than nothing. Oh, that's hot. You can make some salad potato or grilled potato. Not bad, yellow potato. So, yay! When you do planting, and in a small way, you really get something out of it. So, better luck next time. I have to learn more plant potato. So our chili is coming up soon. See? Look at that. It's good for salad potato or grilled potato. It's like white. I don't know if it's too young to harvest or I don't know. I'm not used to have a potato planting. We have different products back in Philippines, so mainly we have rice. It's the main source of our farm. Then banana, corn, some vegetables, but we never had a potato. Yeah. I already washed it. Hopefully we can grow more potato, and I love the bigger potato next time. This is a tryout for me. Bob, look at that. Come here, Bob. Look your potato. Come here.
Let's look my potatoes.
See? What look is
Now
that?
we need to.
Yeah?
They're all clean and nice clean.
And no clean.
Ew, this is an onion.
That's not onion.
Got you! I closed their stomach.
Thank you for watching. Ano nag-cover mo ka?
Or How about join us next time for some potato salad or something?
Yeah, join us next time for
We'll
our
make some-
potato salad or
We'll make
grilled
something to
salad
eat, right?
potato.
This. What's this? You put this thing.
Don't forget to subscribe.
And
The Oster Farm and Bapi Oster. And what are you gonna say to Uncle Chris
thank you.
for helping
you're
us,
welcome. I
right?
hope I can come again and help you cook them. Maybe with them, right? Do you think Mom would let me cook with her?
Oh, God's sakes, yes.
You think so?
Yes.
Look. What's your plate?
Which would you like? What do you want to make out of the potatoes?
Grilled potato.
Oh, baked potato with a little bit of sour cream and chives.
I want to chop them
Bacon
all up
on
and
top.
make it into,
Scallop potato.
Oh yeah.
Potato? How about we can make them bodies?
potato salad, boo.
Or whip them
Sort.
and have mashed
And now you
potatoes.
guys have a dessert. And thank you for watching, everyone.
Bye.
Say bye-bye na, Bob. Bye.
Bye. Come again.
What's
Oh.
it, Cliff?
That's look yummy, but
Don't we have to
there's
say
a
something for Dad?
yeah.
Aren't we going to say something? 'Cause
How are
we're
you gonna-
celebrating.
What's you gonna say to Pop Daddy?
Happy birthday to you.
You got the cake. I got one.
Yeah, singing. Are you singing? Happy birthday to you.
Sorry, Dad, you are not for today.
Unfortunate
She already
birthday
did yesterday.
What? Heard you
She
say?
already did yesterday.
Okay.
Hey, what's like these?
It's those penguins of
Say lami.
where?
Bob, say
Madagascar?
lami.
I will when you turn off the flashlight.
No.
No, the light's on.
Yeah, I know, cause I'm
Good.
recording. Sa lami kaayo.
Huh?
Lami. La. Mi. Kaayo. Ang cake.
La meat ayu la cake.
Oh, not whatever.
I'll say it in Spanish and you can say it in
Are you Spanish?
Bye.
No.
No, but I know some Spanish.
Oh, you know some Spanish?
Yeah, I'm married.